Another dish has been created using veggies from my backyard. The main ingredient is an herb. The type is a dipping dish, and I got this delicious recipe from the Stinky Rose restaurant in San Francisco. I wonder why they call it Stinky. Please watch until the end of this video as I will share with you how to make the garlic rose relish. Hey guys, how is it going? Today I'm gonna do a couple of things. First off, I'm gonna check what the status of my vegetable garden and see if I can harvest some of the vegetable for me to cook today. And second, I'm gonna show you how to cook the vegetable that harvested from my garden. Okay, so let's get started. Let's start with our tomato. It is windy today. Here's the tomato. I have a couple of tomato plants and let's see if they are ready to be harvested. Wow, there are plenty of tomatoes, but they are not ripe yet, so we have to wait more weeks to get the full benefit. Look at them, they are still green. Well, I can't wait to taste these tomatoes. I planted this couple of months ago and look, they have grown to more than 5 feet now. From tomato, let's check out our herbs. It's too early for the basil, let them grow more. It looks like the parsley is ready to be harvested. So beautiful. I think parsley is the winner for today, but let's see and finish checking all the veggies. I used lots of cilantro in my previous cooking, so I will let this grow more, and I think I need to put them where there is a shade. There is one zucchini, couple more days and it's ready for me to cook. Let's check out our cucumber. It looks like there's a couple of cucumber hiding inside these leaves. Oops, there you go guys. Wow. So same here, I need a couple of days and they are ready to be my appetizer. It looks like our green beans will give us an abundance of vegetables. There are so many flowers and buds inside this bunch of leaves. I can't wait to use this for my pancit bihon or lumpia. Look at that! Let's check out the bell peppers. Have to wait. And our sweet chili banana looks ready for another day. So really, the choice for today is the curly parsley. What should I do or make with this parsley? I have an idea already, so let's go to my kitchen. Guess what I'm going to do for this parsley? The second things I'm going to do today is to make dish out of my harvested ingredients from my backyard. I got some herbs from my garden and this is the curly parsley. We're going to make a garlic rose relish. We went to lunch with my friends, the Desperate Housewives. We went to San Francisco, California, and there's a restaurant there named Stinky Rose. And we tried this garlic rose relish and it is so delicious. So it made of a bunch of parsley, 1/4 cup of garlic, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and EVOO or extra virgin olive oil. It is very easy and simple, so let's just do it. Start with parsley. Now let's mince the garlic. Put everything on the chopping board and start mincing it. So garlic rose relish is a dipping dish that is good for toasted bread, fried chicken. Very simple recipe. It's just time consuming when you're mincing the garlic. And we will be ready for mixing all the ingredients together. If the measurement is important to the architect, of course, measurement in cooking is also very important and significant so that you can achieve the right taste of your dish. Let's get started assembling this simple dip. I have lots of parsley. I'm gonna make 2 batches out of this. We're going to do it 1 batch at a time. So we'll mix it, we assemble it, put it in a container, then do another batch and then mix it together so that you can achieve the right taste. So let's get started. Get the container and measure your garlic, 1/4 cup of garlic per batch. So 1/4 1 cup of parsley. Put the vinegar, salt. Put the EVOO and let's mix it together. By the way, this EVOO is special. I bought it in Visa Tui Winery in Napa Valley. Mix them together. And I don't think it's enough. So make sure your EVOO is just enough to cover. Mix it. Smells so good. One batch is done. That's how easy it is. Transfer it to this container. Another batch. Put them in the container together with the first batch. Put them all together. This is good for 3 to 4 days. So you may want to consume it 3 to 4 days. So let's put it in the fridge and we're ready to taste it. After I toast the bread and prepare the salmon. Put this in the fridge. Let's prepare the tasting session. Alright. Here you go, guys. This dipping dish can be paired with everything. Beef, pork or chicken steaks, fried or grilled fish, chips, and more. Smells so delicious. Let's go and try it. So welcome to our tasting session and let's taste it. Let's try the dipping relish. I love parsley. Perfect combination. Parsley and garlic. It is perfect. I think it will match everything with garlic rose relish. It's so good. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the Forlitz Sky. See you next time. Be safe, be strong, and be positive. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.